Hey, I'm Matthias with Toast. Today we're going to install a Toast real wood cover on the iPhone 13, transforming it into this awesome wooden iPhone. Toast makes wood covers for phones, laptops, tablets, gaming systems. Check them all out at toastmade.com. Included with your Toast cover, of course, is the full wrapping back cover. This wraps the back and sides in real wood. Also included is a button card that includes a camera cover and button covers for each of the individual buttons. We also have an optional front frame that goes on the glass to protect the screen. Also included with your kit is an alcohol wipe for cleaning the phone before installation. We have detailed instructions and tips on how to install a cover and get that perfect alignment. So first we want to start by cleaning your phone. We're going to grab the alcohol wipe and wipe it down, especially around the sides and edges. That's where we want a good grip. And then grab a rag to dry off the alcohol. Then you're going to want to grab your lightning cable. We're going to use this for alignment. So the first piece we install is actually the camera cover. This is going to help align the main cover. It snaps down over the camera lenses and then helps us align the top of the back cover. And when you're ready to go, peel off that backing paper, make sure it comes off completely, then line the top up over the camera lens cover, and then the bottom you're going to make sure that that lines up nicely with the lightning cable. You can shift the cover side to side if you need to. Then when that looks great, unplug your lightning cable. Then we're going to roll on the top and bottom edges. Once those are on, use your fingers to roll the sides on, and then all four wings. Just roll them into place, making sure they line up nicely with the edges of the phone and the cover. You want to give a good press around the camera lens to make sure that all fits snug. Then lastly, we apply the button covers. Peel off the back of the button card to see how the buttons pop out. Then one at a time, peel off the button cover and apply it to the phone. Press the button a couple times to make sure it sets nicely. And then you're good to go. Lastly, we have the optional front screen surround. We're going to also clean that glass off so we get a good bond. The top of the front screen surround has a notched cutout for the speaker. So peel off that backing paper very gently and apply the front screen surround to your phone, making sure it lines up nicely with the edges. And there you go, fully wrapping your Toast in real wood. This is our Eucalyptus wood, an eco-friendly eucalyptus hybrid tree with a gorgeous red-orange color. And if you're liking these videos, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon, and we'll see you in the next video.